What's going on, my silver knights? It's your boy, the king of silver. Now, what I'm about to show you is a very unique piece that happened to stumble across. This piece is solid silver with 14 karat gold over it, fully iced out with moissanite tool belt. That is correct, tool belt. Now let's take a closer look on the detail. This is the flash test. Now, if you notice, it says HHP. So I made it stands for Household Project. Once again, this is the flash test. There's the stamp. Look at this amazing piece. Look at that. You got the hammer, got the 2 screwdrivers, you got the 2 wrench, and you got the 2 pliers. Now let's see if this piece will pass the diamond tester. Now bear with me, these stones are small.
Metal alert. Metal alert. Moissanite. Moissanite.
So as you can see, this pendant passed as moissanite. Now you know what time it is? It's time for the neck profile. This is how the tool belt looks sitting around my neck on the Harlem bling moissanite tennis chain. This is the flash test. Now that you see that around my neck, here is another close view of the tool belt. Once again, this is the flash test. And for everybody who's been watching my videos, keep your heads up and let no one hold you down. And I want to tell everyone, have a happy new year.